Hello and welcome back to my channel for the second episode of my Shipwreck on Sabre Island mock. I made some progress, most of them digital, but regarding the building I just removed the Barracuda from the bay and built the ship. I started to put together some parts on studio. I used most of the medium azure parts for making the sea. Then I used the rounded brick in tan to create the shore. Due to the presence of a lot of slope parts, I decided also to make this kind of rock to increase also the height of the building. Also, there are a lot of parts inside to support the base that is composed by different plates. This will be the style of the mock. More or less is the same style of the set Eldorado Fortress, and I also included this spire that as you can see is broken because my idea is to crash the ship on the pier. Oh. Maybe it's better to remove this nub in this part, like that. And let the main mast hit the building, like that. While I was doing this, I noticed that maybe the ship is too big. In my opinion, the ship is too big. So maybe I can decide to re-brick the ship to make something smaller, like some of one of these old sets. So let me know in the comments what you think about this mock, and if you are agree with me of making a smaller ship or keep this one. And in the next video I will probably start to build some of this with real bricks to see if everything fits well. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.